Crypto bubbles is in blood. Look at this, guys. We are looking at the top 100 coins right now, and it looks as if the market is down. We had a good market during the weekends, but right now we are seeing some pullback. So, what is going to happen in the market today or this week? That's what I want us to look at in today's video, and we're gonna, analyze different coins. We're gonna be live for about an hour or two, just looking at the market, looking at some news, looking at some meme coins, some altcoins, looking at Bitcoin, and helping you guys understand which levels or which zones are more preferable to take action when price get there. If you're new on this platform, you are watching the Betong Crypto. Yeah, I'm all about creating live content or creating content to help anyone out there who is interested in building sustainable wealth in this industry. I have been building my portfolio, for a long time now, and I keep building it for a long-term purpose, and I want to work with you guys, helping you guys get the same knowledge on how to go about this. I'm gonna be doing this subsequent live. Not I can't guarantee every day, but most of the time I'm gonna be doing live streams, two live streams every day. I did the first one in the morning. I talk about how the best strategy to trade Bitcoin and altcoins. You can go and watch that video. My videos are really educative. It's just gonna help you make better decisions as you embark on this journey. Yeah, boy, this is crypto bubbles. And I've explained to you guys multiple times on how to use crypto bubbles. I'm pairing this against Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is my currency. And from what you can see on the screen, it shows that Job, Floki, the coins in green are the ones that are doing well today against Bitcoin. But if we look at the weekly time frame, you're gonna see Popcat has been on fire. See, Sat has been on fire, Renda has been on fire, Floki as well. So most of these coins that you see in green like this, the green bubbles, are outperforming Bitcoin during the week. And most of these coins I talk about, and I encourage you guys to hold them. Not all of them, but most of them. I'm gonna analyze most of them today, like Popcats, maybe SAT. We're gonna look at Sui, Phantom, maybe Awi, STX, Fed, and most of the coins that you guys are gonna share with me. We're gonna do so. Keep bringing your coins, share your coins, comment your coins. So we can discuss it. Now we're gonna begin most definitely with the Big Daddy. Let's see what the Big Daddy is doing. That's Bitcoin. Let's go to this chart. Okay. If you guys remember, let me go to a chart that I have been analyzing Bitcoin on recently. I think Bitmat USDC Bitmat, yeah, this is the one. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to the higher time frame. Like, yeah, we are. Let me just go to the 4 hours time frame so we can see this. Guys, if you follow my platform, you follow my life, you cannot say this is this is a joke, right? I'm just on point. I mentioned that when price get to this zone, we're gonna see some pullback, and the pullback should hold here. And if the pullback holds here and price does something like this, come back and hold, the next ride is when you're buying again, because I think price is gonna go even more higher to about $70,000 or above $70,000, and this would have been the opposite. Like if price break this structure and come right down there, do something like this can still play out. Because if I look at certain indicators, like the I'm gonna go to the liquidation heat map so you can see what I'm trying to convey here. Well, this can still play out. Price can still get down here. Do something like this, then come here. Still go right down to 52,000, provided we are still in this range. And I also mentioned that I want to see price trade above 55 $65,000 or $66,000, and if price is not able to trade above that, then the pullback should at least earn around 61,000. It can go right down to 59,000 dollars, but it shouldn't go. I'm gonna explain more again why I say so. But again, where we are right now, we are bullish and we are in an uptrend. You can see, if say I draw a trend line here, you're gonna see that we are in a trend line, guys. We're gonna look at multiple stuff here with Bitcoin. You can see, maybe we're gonna see pullback right down here, as I mentioned, to 60,000, or maybe right down to 59,000 something. And the reason I mentioned that is because of this, like the entire zone where you see price moving like this sideways in this area, where accumulation zone. So we expect price to get back there and price to hold to an extent, right? So this is just price is just doing what I mentioned, or what I have been talking about in the past. And when we look at the USDT dominance, you can see also I mentioned in the past that we have a trend line here, and we can see price go right down to this trend line, and price might get to this area where the alpha trend created a buy signal. And when the alpha trend created this buy signal, we saw how the trend zero printed this over bought area here, and also price made higher highs on the daily time frame. So we expect pullback, and for us to actually confirm on a pullback, let's just do a quick fib retracement. Let's take it from here back there, and you're gonna see that we are below the golden pocket, or we are around the buy zone. Let me just put it that way. And again, we can still price come towards this area here and move sideways, and move upwards. If we look at the weekly time frame on USDT dominance, you can see that we have this area here where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, and price hasn't yet gotten to that area. You can see a price made an attempt, and of course, I always, when I see like such price action, I know there's gonna be some sort of pullback. That's why I knew that we're gonna get retracement with Bitcoin, and most of the altcoins are gonna retrace as well. Now, if we look at the altcoin market, this is total two. That's all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin. You can see that is also in an uptrend on the weekly time frame, right? We are still in structure. Price, printed a buy signal, and it went to where the alpha trend printed a sell signal before. And before price even get there, I took the volume profile and I drew something like this. This is what I did. I took it from the top there to this area. That's how I came about this area, and have talked about this multiple times before. Like, before price even get there, when price was still down here, price break structure, I pointed this zone as the target. Go and watch my previous video, and you're gonna see that I have been accurate most of the time with my analysis. So the reason I mentioned that price is gonna get to this zone is because this area was where the golden pocket was, and also the area where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. If you didn't watch my latest video, not this one, I was live before this live, go and watch it, and I explain how you can use the alpha trend, how you can get the alpha trend, and how you can use the alpha trend with Trendillo to invest and trade the crypto market. So now, what are we expecting price to do? Because price break structure, and price has come back retest structure, and we saw this stopping volume candle here. Look at this huge buy. So the next thing I can expect price to do is, at least, because we still have a buy signal here, we haven't yet printed this any sell signal, so we are good to go. And I expect price to recover these vectors, yeah, this vector candle, yeah. So I'm expecting price to go to right up to about 1.5 trillion, or let's say, yeah, 1.5 trillion, or maybe 1.3 trillion, 1.03 trillion. But whatever price does, I want price to be above, to stay above the alpha trend. If price stay above the alpha trend, then I'm gonna consider this as a bullish signal. And also, we are seeing the Trendillo printed this over bought area. Now it is going towards to print the over sold area. And if it print any zone here, then we might also expect price to bounce. But I think to an extent we can see the alpha trend print a sell signal here on total cap. And guys, the reason why I'm show you guys this total cap, like explain Bitcoin, is more of the altcoin season, what Ethereum is gonna do and what other altcoins are gonna do. It's gonna reflect the market long term. Guys, if you're watching, do like the content, help me reach out to more people. Let's build this live stream so that more people can join us. If you actually enjoy what I'm doing here, if what I'm doing here is giving you some value, at least what you can do is to like the content or show some love. So let's get back to it. Now, again, this I'm just looking at the entire market. I'm gonna go to all the cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, so we can see that price action in all of these, total two or total three as this are almost the same. Now we can rightly say that if I still pull the fifth year, you're gonna see where the golden pocket is. Yeah, this is a zone, and this is almost similar to where I mentioned without even pulling this that price is gonna go. That's about 1.5, 1.7 trillion, right? So if price get there and price break above it and come back and retest this zone here, that let's say 1.1 trillion, 1.05 trillion, then we can now consider this as a bullish signal for the entire altcoin market, and price also must break. Let me just give you guys another scenario. This is what I expect price to do, and watch this carefully. I expect price to an extent maybe break up, come and hold here. Price should hold there, and if price is not able to hold there, at least price should come back here, but price should stay above, the alpha trend. Then the next leg we're gonna take it to the upside. So that's how I expect the altcoin markets to play out. And if we look at the altcoin market excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're going to see that it's almost similar. We are looking at this on the higher time frame. You can see, still, if I pull the FIP here, see how I came about the golden pocket. As I mentioned, I've done analysis on this long time ago. You can see I marked this zone long time ago, and you can see what price is doing. Price went up, we trace came back to structure. This was structure. Price retest structure. You see here, as I mentioned, I don't make this up. If you go to my previous videos, you're gonna see all of this analysis. And now we are seeing some sort of retracement back, but price should be able to hold this zone because of the fact that you can see a vector here and also a stopping volume candle. You can see here, so whatever price does, price should stay within this range. Or whatever price does, price should stay within this range. And also the trend dealer you can see is heading towards the over sold area, and I think we can see more small like leg to the downside before we see a huge pump again to the upside. Now, let's move to something else. Again, by guys, if you have some coins, drop your coins here so I can do analysis on your coins. If you're watching, do like this content, share this content with your friends, with your loved ones. Let's build this live so we can reach out to more people out there. Now, this is let me get back to this. So right now, I'm looking at total tree. I want to go to the liquidation heat map. By the way, if see you haven't yet followed me on X, this is my X platform. We are now 616 followers on X. Go and follow me on X. I post stuff here and there, and we are live also on X. If you are watching me on X, you can go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for liking on X. I can see you guys have liked on X. I appreciate that. Much love to you all. You guys are amazing. Thanks so much for the love. You are awesome. Okay. You can also retweet, guys. Retweet your communities. So follow me on X. Now let's get to the liquidation heat map. I want us to establish where we might expect Bitcoin to go. This is for the next 3 days. We can see Bitcoin. I mentioned, we can see Bitcoin go right down to 62,000 or 61,000. But if we look at the weekly time frame, like the entire week, where can Bitcoin go to? These are all possibilities, guys, and these possibilities are is going to create us an opportunity to get into most of the altcoins that we miss. Remember what I showed you guys earlier? Most of these altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin, and maybe you didn't catch a better entry. Most of them is if Bitcoin is going to retrace, they are going to retrace as well. And when they retrace, you're going to get a perfect entry. So looking at this right now, you can see this yellowish area here on this chart. This yellowish area is an area where there's huge liquidity, and the market makers can push price there. So we can see a quick candle go right down to this zone here around $58,000. They can still push price there, because if we look at the chart of Bitcoin, it's pretty easy. Let me just go to this chart here. So we can see this. So it's pretty easy that they can bring price right down to this zone here. We are now on the, let's go back on the daily time frame. Yeah, so look at this vector here. It is a green vector candle, so they can actually print price right down to 58. And if they bring price to $58,000, it's not be quick. Let me speak like Trump. Quick. Okay, now see, another thing that I'm bullish about is that the Trendilo has crossed this middle line. Whenever the Trendilo cross this middle line on the higher time frame, then I'm on a buy. And when price is below, like around the sold area, oversold area, I am caution, because I have to be DCA. Like I go to the 4 hours time frame, and I look at you can see I can now look at different zones where I can buy. So I buy. So this is how I DCA. I buy here, I buy here, I buy here, I buy here. Then when it start going up, I sell. So I buy, I sell, I buy, I sell, I buy, I sell, I buy, I sell. So it's gonna come here again, but at this time around, I don't wanna just rely on that. I don't just do only that. I have other stuff that I look at. Particularly look at where price is right now on the higher time frame here. Let me zoom this out. You can see properly. Price is staying above the alpha trend. So to me it's bullish. But if I go to another chart here, let me bring in the hybrid system. Looking at the hybrid system here, it's pretty but obvious that we are below the 50-day moving average. Let me just go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we are below the 50-day moving average, which is it here, and you can see price printed this vector here. So I think what they're gonna do is push price towards this area. Like this is short-term price action, and it's gonna go around 61,000. And this is in correspondence to what I just showed you guys here. You see, if we go to let's just go first to let's see, this is freezing a little bit. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you're gonna see more of what I'm trying to convey here. So you can see it's around 60, 62, 61 area. You can see this. If we even go to, let's just look at the 3 days time frame, because what I'm saying here, it can play out, maybe not exactly immediately, but you can see here we still have liquidity here. We have liquidity here. So when you are trading any altcoin out there, you need to look at what Bitcoin might do. Then you look at what your altcoin is doing at that point in time before you even get into anything else. Again, comment say, can you do cat dog? I'm gonna do cat dog. Thumb up, yeah, guys. Thanks for sharing. I'm gonna do cat dog. Let me just analyze Bitcoin first. I'm gonna take all of your coins. So just keep writing the coins you want me to do TA on. I'm gonna do my best to show you where you're gonna take out profit, where you're gonna buy, where you can DCA, buy more, and where you're gonna stay away from the market completely. Again, you need to have trading view. If say you don't have trading view, go to my link tree, scroll right down to join me on trading view. This is awesome. Click on it. This is an affiliate link. So if you use this link, it's gonna help this platform a lot. So when you get trading view, I'm gonna get some commission from that. But you need trading view to get most of these free indicators. As I mentioned, I've created a video today and multiple videos in the past on how to analyze this using trading view. Now looking at the liquidation heat map, you can see the different yellowish zones here. This, guys, again, this platform is free. Go to coin knack. This is the I'm gonna let me just paste the website on the chat section so you guys can see it. Go to the chat section. This is coin ang. Yeah, this is the website. Go to it and you are going to get the you are going to get this free website, coinang.com. So this is just free. You're gonna see the which zone you see here, liquidation areas, like they can push price. Like I think they're gonna push price to 62.80, and if the price break here, the next target is gonna be 61,750 or 61,550, and also we have 60.60. Yeah, that's the zones where we can expect price to move towards. Now, let's look at Ethereum. But before we go to Ethereum, let's just look quickly at CoinAng, because I think to an extent I've already looked at all of this stuff. But there are some news here that I want us to look at quickly, like the Nigerian judge puts Binance money laundering case on the dock next week. I don't know what's going on with these people in Nigeria, these judges, these politicians. They are trying to sue Binance for money laundering when the government or the Nigerian government or the politicians are embezzling money every now and then. Crypto is here to help certain people out there, but the government of Nigeria is trying to block this. I think the Nigerian people, when you are voting next time, you should know the kind of president you are voting. Don't just vote because these guys pay you money. Vote because you're gonna be doing something that is gonna be good for you and your family. Crypto is good. Crypto is here to stay. And if say you guys are voting these people, you need to vote the right people in office, not anyone. That is there. All right. Let's continue with the news. Another one here I got is let me see. I got some news here that I want to share. It says here, Argentina adds Ethereum to Buenos Aires high school curriculum. So they're going to be teaching Ethereum in Argentina. That's awesome, guys. This is what we call adoption. Kids are going to learn about crypto, Ethereum, because when they say they're going to add Ethereum, it means that they're going to teach entire crypto, Bitcoin, all of this stuff. So if you are out there thinking you are in the wrong space, then mind you are just so early in this whole game. You are early, so early in the crypto space. So don't feel left out. Now, another stuff I want us to look at quickly now is this news here. The Telegram CEO arrested to tied to cybercrime investigation of unauthorized cryptology services, say French authorities. Guys, if you don't know, the CEO or the founder of Telegram was arrested in France. Is now in detention, and multiple allegations has been brought against him. And he's also behind the Ton project. We're gonna look at a coin on the Ton project, Ton network. So this guy is one of those guys that promote free speech, and these guys are trying to shut him down, which is, I think, it's not that reasonable to an extent. But of course, we want to wish that Telegram is still going to be, encrypted. One of the best platform out there that you can share information, share videos, and share a lot of stuff. Build a community. As most of you guys who are we are in my community, you are in crypto. You are in on Telegram. So this is just like everything that is at the mention, which the thing Durov has done and so on, why they detain him or why he was arrested, and now they are indicting him for all of this. Now let's get to my guy, your coin. It is the cat what. Let me get first to this. I'm gonna come to Trump coin, but let me get this coin. Yeah, Fidelity says cat dog. I don't know which coin is this. Cat dog. Say, can you analyze cat dog? By the way, let's see what is cat dog. Let me just get to cat dog. Cat dog. Let's see what's gonna appear. Oh boy, cat dog. Is this okay? This is on. Let me see, guys. If you wanna know like if like I don't have the contract address, but I can easily detect which one is good, which one is fake. This one is 1 month old, it has 9 million. This one is 1 month old, it has 9 million. So the first one is on Radium, second one also is on Radium, and it's the same contract. You can see the same contract, the same contract, the same contract. So I'm gonna take the first one, and this cat dog is on which platform? Let's see here on Solana. Okay, now let's begin on the weekly time frame. Okay, on the weekly time frame, this bad boy is down tremendously. Like, let's look at the highest market cap that it went to, about 120 million market cap. Okay, let's see what we got here with this bad boy. All right, they have 376K, and the holders 31,000 holders. Let's look at the top traders. Let's see if say something fishy here. Of course, there's something fish, not that fishy, but this guy bought this amount here. He bought like 2.2 million of what 2.2 million, and the profit he has made is 1.1 million. So this guy have made the money. This guy also bought 5.2 million. He has made 5 million, and also these guys are all insiders. Like these two guys here, this one also are insiders. We have so many insiders here among the top traders. The how I know they are insiders is because they didn't buy anything. You can see they didn't buy anything, so it was transferred to them instead, right? So now looking at this, I have to also look at the 4 hours time frame to see what price is doing. Now, what is the next step, my friend? The next step is, like, look, this the price action is not that it's not that good. It's not good. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is not good. But for you to actually confirm that this bad boy is gonna reverse, first thing first, you can pull the Fenerbahce tool from the take it up, to this zone here. And if we see any pullback, then this is gonna be the first target. Yeah. Excuse guys. Oh, I want to sneeze. I want to sneeze, but it's not coming, and it feels bad. So, if you're buying, if it is you're gonna buy here, you should expect these zones to be resistance zone. Yeah, yeah. So this is gonna be good, a quick zone for price to reject to. If the price is to move from here, so what you wanna do is wait for price to do something like this to come here, in this zone. If price is not able to break again, because you can see price is trying to an extent to respect this resistance here. So if price is gonna reverse from here, then you're gonna wait for price to do something like this, you know, come back, come back here. Price should hold. If price go below, then no, your price must hold, then you are buying the next leg up. And the next leg up, to an extent also, if you wanna be safe, you wanna be you can still wait for price to break, come back and hold there, then that's where you're buying. So you can either buy let's see, you can either buy here, or you can buy yeah, then you take the right to the upside. Then yeah, this area is not be the first take profit, and you should expect price to reject. Yeah, why? Because there's also some sort of resistance here. You see price reject this zone multiple times, 1 2 3 4, because we are on the daily time frame. And when price break this zone, this is also what you want to expect price to do. That's why I mentioned you guys to be able to get most of this is I'm doing this on deck screener, and it's a free tool. Price is gonna do this, then go to the golden pocket, come back there, then break. So this is how I trade, this is how I invest. Regardless of what I want to do, I look at market structure on higher time frame, and it helps me to know what to do when price get to my zones, or my price point. This is a website where the coin ang that I mentioned, coinang.com. Go to this website, you're gonna get this. You're gonna see this like this liquidation heat map. Yeah, so This is it, coin ang. Let's get to some of the other coins that I talk about here on my platform. And one of these coins is breath. Okay. When bread was pumping, let me go to the higher time frame, like a 1 day time frame. Sorry, the 1 hour time frame. Let's look at this bad boy. But I think before we go there, let's first of all look at this on the 4 hours time frame. So we saw this. Um, Let me zoom out this. I think I should stay with the daily time frame first, so that we can see it properly. So you can see, um, if you watch my videos again, I trade based on market structure. I don't trade because I just love to trade, or I don't buy because I want to buy. I look for coins that have good um price action, that respect price action, that respect um support and resistance, that respect market structure. I look for these coins and I try to build and I try to analyze what price has done in the past and what price might do in the future. So in this case, price has been going down, 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 down. Now the reason why I pluck I brought in the Fibonacci tool from here to the down here is because I'm looking at this zone as the pivot point, the reversal point. Why? Because of this zone here. This area here. This was previously um support that now is going to act as resistance. You see, price rejected this zone multiple times in the past before price break. You see, multiple times it attempted this zone multiple times, and after price break this zone, price has come back to retest. So, and we want to see price hold that zone. Now, how are we going to confirm that this is actually the zone? I want to bring in my Fibonacci retracement tool. Remember, I just drew this by looking at it, but I want to bring my tool right now. Block it here, take it right up there, and boom, voila. You see what happened? Just there, price is there. Look at that zone, So where we are right now, we are at the golden pocket. So we expect some sort of reaction at the golden pocket, and because we are at the golden pocket for breadth, you can see that the next target for me is gonna be around 0.12 for breadth. 0.12, and if say we're gonna see some bull, like it's gonna be bullish, then I'm looking at around 0.15. So from where we are right now towards that zone, how many percent we expect to make if price get to there? That's about 70% profits that you can make from your investment. Again, breadth is an established meme coin on the base network, and this coin is one of the top meme coin out there in the space. So breadth is here to stay. Not breadth, breadth. It's here to stay. And when Bitcoin moves, bread also moves. That's why I have chosen bread as one of my top meme coin out there that I analyzed on. So if we go to the lower time frame, let's see if say we have some entry levels here on lower time frame. No, price is still pointing downward after this movement to the upside. You see, price is still pointing downward. So for us to actually confirm, our movement, or like pullback, price need to respect this structure. Or maybe if price is not able to respect this pullback here, because we can see after this pullback we're not able to get any higher high from that zone there. So if price is able to break this zone, this pullback here, then I think the next pullback that price must not broke or cannot broke is this one here, this one at 0.07 for bread. So just keep an eye on bread, look at it. You might get some opportunities from it and make some profits from it. The next that I have here, and most of these coins that I'm showing you right now are from the base network. We have mock here. I was holding mock before, but I sold mock, and the reason why I sold mock on the daily, because on the daily time frame, I still see how mock is struggling. Look at this here, this trend line here, I know most of you just buy based on your emotion, based on the fact that you want to just buy, but you need to understand price action. If you understand price action, then you are gonna be getting the best entries ever in your investment journey. So, for me to actually confirm this, actually, I can still let me do something quickly. So you see, this is the golden pocket, but again, this yellowish area, yeah, it's an area where I still want price to stay, because we still have this zone here. If price break this zone, this area, yeah, this area, then it's not gonna be good for us. I want to see price hold. This is gonna be an area where price must not break. That's why you see, I was happy to see this stopping hold on candle, quick buyback, and we are gonna see maybe something else here, and price should stay above here. So price shouldn't break, below. Price should stay above. We are down for the past 24 hours, 16%. But during the weekends, we saw how this coin was pumping. But I didn't chase the pump. I knew we're gonna get some pullback again. Price wasn't able to break this structure. Yeah, I've marked all of these zones, and I did it for a reason. And price is not able to break it, so I have to wait for price to react towards um like how I want price to react. Now, guys, again, if you have some coin, can you get analysis on podcast? Say I'm not from okay. Yeah, I'm holding podcast, so I'm gonna do podcast as well. Guys, if you're watching, do like, retweet. If you're watching on Twitter, if you're watching on Facebook, do share. If you're watching on on YouTube, like, comments as well. By the way, if say you want to be part of my VIP group, you want to trade this, you can trade this on Bitronix. It's a no KYC crypto derivative. You can trade this in the United States. I'm currently in Maryland, United States, and I'm trading on Bitronix. So you can use my affiliate link. It's an affiliate link, Bitronix affiliate link. So when you use this link, I'm gonna get some percentage of the trading fees, and you can join my VIP group. Yeah, you're gonna get my buy and sell signals. If you wanna get what I'm buying when I'm buying it, click on this link. Yeah, it's gonna take you to there. And if say you are someone that you need portfolio management, you need someone to help you. Like no matter what you do, you keep losing money in the game. You keep losing money, and you need someone to help you in portfolio management. Then click on this link. And if say you are a complete beginner, absolute beginner, you know nothing, and you want to start from scratch, this link is for you. Join my VIP group on YouTube. Join my free Telegram group. Exclusive VPN for IP Vanish. I use VPN when I'm in the States, or you can become a Patreon. So, and also, if say you are not comfortable to click all of this link and you want to talk to me first, I have a free 50 minutes call here on Zoom. We're gonna discuss, find out what challenges that you are facing, and see how I can help you with that. And again, make sure you use most of these links here. It's gonna help this channel a lot. Let's get back to business. I was talking about mock. So again, you can see just this trend line here and these zones here. I would say that mock is like I don't want to buy mock now. Of course, I want to buy mock. I sold at this zone here. I bought again here. I sold here, and I didn't buy because I wanted the price to break this structure, then come back and retest it. That's exactly how I've explained to you guys. Let's get to Popcat. My brother there wants to get Popcat. So let's see what the Popcat. I was holding Popcat before, and I'm still gonna buy. I sold some of my Popcat. I'm gonna show you guys where I sold my Popcat. I sold it. You're gonna be surprised. I sold my Popcat here around 500 and around 562 million. And the reason why I sold my Popcat there is because I wanted to see price break structure. Now, I have mentioned to myself or said to myself that I'm not gonna ever chase any pump. Now, looking at this, price has broken all of this structure. Yeah. Now, what can price do next? Because price have done all of this good stuff, breaking structure. So, what can price do for Popcat? Looking at this trend line. So what I want to do is I want to bring in the phenometric retracement tool from there to where we got this rejection here. Now, remember what I've mentioned to you guys multiple times, that the golden pocket is an area where price is always going to retrace from, or we're going to see rejection from. And when price reject, then we are waiting to see where price is going to give us the next zone. So how we do that, we bring in the Feb tool again, and we mark it like this. You bring it the Fenerbahce, which is, guys, it's a free tool. You can go to that. I'm doing this on Desk Screener. So if you want to get Desk Screener, I'm going to share it soon and quickly soon. Like, okay, from there. Now, why am I doing this? I'm doing this now to get zones where price might reject. And because this is a meme coin, I think we're gonna go right down to around 500 million market cap, for this bad boy. Now let's go to the to look at it based on the price. I was looking at it based on the market cap. Now let's look at this based on the price. And looking at this based on the price, I'm gonna do again what I just did. I'm gonna pull the FIP here, from this zone to the upside. It's gonna give me where I'm gonna buy. So this is the area where I'm gonna buy. And when I see price, if I see price in these zones, let me just mark the zone. This is the zone here. So if price get in this zone, regardless of what happens, I start DCA, DCA, DCA. So that we're looking at from 0.63, 0.65, 58, right down to 0.54. So this zone, let me see the difference in terms of price action. Let's see quickly. That's going to be about around 14% to the upside. Then let's see the downside, how many percent to the downside from where price is right now. Let's see. From there to the downside, that's gonna be around 18%. So can PopCat drop 80% in a day? Yeah, it can do that. So that's how I go about my entry. And if I get into the trade here, I'm gonna be getting in the trade at the right time or where I sold it. So you know, I sell at times, to protect me and give me a better entry. I want to look at the market because, guys, remember, I'm buying these coins, I'm trading these coins to make more Bitcoin. I love the coin because it makes me more Bitcoin. If it doesn't make me more Bitcoin, then I don't care about it, and it moves alongside Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is gonna pump like crazy, pop cats also is gonna pump as crazy. So this is just how it is. And again, Popcat can still like just be watching Popcat. You can get to this which zone here at 0.64 and bounce from there, or maybe get to around 0.59 price point and bounce from there. It must not come to the golden pocket, but when you get to that zone, that's the area where you wanna start looking at buying. Another coin I want you guys to pay attention to is Rocky. This coin, it has done so well, and it has a broken structure. Looking at the higher time frame, it has broken structure, even though it shows that it has rejected from this zone. Yeah, let's see. This was a okay. It hasn't really broken structure. It's still at this now. It's this area is considered as resistance. So let me it's at this resistance zone here. I'm gonna go now to the 4 hours time frame to see what we got here. So let's go back now to the 4 hours time frame to see what we got with Rocky. Okay, we haven't yet broken structure, but what I want to see price do from where price is right now. I don't want price to break to like price should do this. Price should, if price is gonna come down, it should end here. I don't want to see it go right down. If you go right down, then it has invalidated the move. But if it goes right down, and for you, if you want to know where to enter again, price is gonna do something like this. It should hold here. It should hold. That's when you're buying, and then you're gonna have a perfect W right up to the upside. And after that, you're gonna do again like this, hold, come back, hold, then again to the upside. So if you actually understand how this works, then you're gonna be making a lot of profit from these altcoins. Trust me. Like TA has made my life so easy. When it comes to trading, investing. Before I buy any coin, I want to make sure the coin is at a good buy zone. I don't just buy because someone say that to buy. Another coin that I want us to look at right now, guys. You are watching. You haven't yet sent your coin. I don't know what you're doing. You can see Fidelis says I should do Floki. I'm gonna be doing Floki. But if you're watching and you let me go, maybe you guys have some coin that you want me to check on Twitter. 'Cause I'm not able to see. Maybe I'm not able to get the comment from Twitter or X to my. So let me see if I can get the comments. I can see if you guys have some comment on X. Because I can see some of you following me on X right now. Oh, where is my X? Has my X platform this? Okay, this is my X. Not X like X, of course. Let me see if say you guys have some stuff here for me. Um, we have 6 people watching. Okay, there are no comments here on this on X. So you guys are good. I thought you guys have um some coins you want me to chat on. Well, before we go to Flocky, I was talking about this coin. I already drew this zone here, and price, has been trading above this area here. And again, guys, this coin that I'm showing you right now, they are very good coin. And when Bitcoin is gonna break structure, I've done Bitcoin analysis with you guys, so you can choose any of these coins and look at what they are doing. I guarantee you that when Bitcoin is gonna move, these coins are gonna move like crazy. Again, look at what you are seeing here. Look at Popcat. Popcat is going wide like crazy, and we're looking at Popcat on the weekly time frame. And if we go to the daily time frame like today, see that Bitcoin is doing well than most of the altcoins are now. And these altcoins are retracing like dogs, all they are retracing, which is very normal. As I always mention to you guys, these altcoins are always going to retrace, and when they retrace, that's when you are looking for a buy opportunity. So let's stay on the weekly time frame for on crypto bubbles. You can see Bong. There's still opportunity here for Bong. With Floki. I'm gonna look at Floki right now. So let's look at Floki, but check on this bad boy. This is Doc with no the meal. Let's see what's cut in a dog's world. That's meal. Now let's go to Floki. Floki, let me see if I can pull Floki's chat here. Let's see what Floki is doing. I'm gonna look at it on Mexi Global. Yeah. Okay, this is Floki on the daily time frame. I think I had some. Let me see. Okay, on the daily time frame, Floki the alpha trend has created a buy signal here, but there are multiple vectors here, so I expect some sort of reversal again because we are on the daily time frame. I think where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, this around the 0.0000176062 is a zone where we should expect price to retrace and maybe some sort of pullback. And for me to confirm this again, I have to bring in this flip tool, and from here to this to the top, then it gave me the golden pocket here. So even if price is gonna break this zone here, like if I let me just show you guys what I expect price to do. So if price is gonna go like up here, then it should come back here, and hold. It might take 1 week, 2 weeks, but don't rush. Look at other coins that have opportunities. That's why I always say to you guys, there are millions, thousands of coins out there. I have many of them. You can see this is my list. I have Bome, I have Trom, I have Ondo, I have TRB, I have Bread, I have ApeCoin, Mock, CSPRO. Every now and then you can scan the market. You can have like 10 different coins that you trade, that moves alongside Bitcoin. For me, I have just some few, not so many. I have about 10. That I switch. Buy short term. If say this one is doing well, I buy, cash out my profit, then wait for more opportunities from other coins. Why I'll wait for price to get to where I feel comfortable, to buy. I don't just buy and hold like like someone who is crazy. Most of you just want to hold that coin for forever. But now Floki is here. Let's go to the lower time frame to see what we might expect from Floki. Okay, the alpha trend has printed a sell signal here. It printed a buy signal here, but nothing happened. This buy signal didn't take price to make higher highs, and now we are seeing price around where the alpha trend printed its buy signal. And also the trend below is showing that this line has break below this line in the middle, so we are bearish for Floki on the lower time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame. you know don't don't rush to buy Floki. Right now you can get in, and also price is below the alpha trend, so we can see. Let me bring in my fib tool. And how I do it, I'm gonna bring it from here, to this zone. First, this is gonna be the area where we might expect some sort of reasonable retracement. It's gonna be around 0.001298. And also, there's something here that I want you to see. You can see how price has been moving here. Price has been respecting structure. This is it. And I'm gonna give you guys a perfect zone right now for Floki. This is on the 1 hour time frame. See, price move up there, it came, it hold, it moved up there, it came, it hold, it moved up there. Now it held here, move up there, and price break structure. It breaks structure. See, it breaks structure, and price didn't go up to make higher high. The price ended where the alpha trend put a sell signal, and the alpha trend also put a buy signal. So what is the price gonna do now? Okay, for we to confirm that we are gonna be on a downtrend, price break below here, then come back, you know, um below. Oh boy, come back there. I'm gonna arrange it, hold, then come right down. So this is how it's gonna be like. Oh no, boy, no, 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 no. Yeah, so you're gonna break, then you're gonna break again to this zone. Yeah, but the area where you're gonna confirm that, okay, this is gonna be um a zone where price is gonna hold is when price is not able to break the previous support. So this is a support, this is now also a support, this is also a support. So if price no, this is not a support yet, because price has not gonna make higher high. So we're looking at this 1 year. This is a support year. So if price break this support, we're gonna wait for pullback. That's where you're gonna buy. Then you can take price can take you back downwards. So that's what I'm looking at Floki for Floki. And again, this is not something that's gonna happen. It's not gonna happen immediately. That's why we're gonna stick on Bitcoin to see what Bitcoin is doing. Is Bitcoin dumping? If Bitcoin is like dumping, like is gonna go right down to 61,000, 60,000. Then again, Floki, is gonna do what I just mentioned, right? And I want to see price trade above the trend below. So guys, if you still have some coins, do share it with me. If you don't have any coin to share it with me, then I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna assume that most of you are watching me right now. You already have, what you're doing. You understand everything. You know a lot. um yeah, again, follow me on X. If you haven't yet follow me on X, go and follow me on X. This is my X. My X. Okay, continue. Yes, say stream error. I'm gonna continue so we don't get cut off. We are connecting again. I don't know which one was okay. Twitter has, yeah, stopped. So I hope we're gonna bring it back. You know. Okay, I think we are loading. We're gonna bring it back because you can see here it says it stopped. You know. All right, guys. You don't just go and follow me on X. This is my X platform. Go and follow me on X. Yes, this is it. The Betong. Go and follow me. Let me refresh this. If say we have some new people, yeah. Okay, now we are back live. I think so. Or I think we are not live anymore on X. You can see I'm not able to see my live stream on X anymore. I think we the live stream on X stopped. Anyway, guys, I think I've done pretty much everything. Those of you who are watching, you want to be part of my VIP group, you want to support this platform, you want to do what you must do to be part of my community, then this is my link tree. The link is found at the description of this video. Go to my link tree and connect with me. If you're watching on X, you can come to my YouTube, get most of these links, connect with me, join, really start with Bitronix if say you are in the States, or any country that KYC is a problem. You can use Bitronix. You can also use bluffing. My bluffing affiliate link is at the description of this video. When you use my link, I'm gonna get some sort of commission from the trading fees. So yeah, I just have to disclose this so you know. When you're gonna use my link, you're gonna be supporting this platform. And if say you are someone you want to talk with me, book 50-minute free call with me, and we're gonna have an amazing conversations together, so I can help you out in your journey. Okay. I think this is it, guys. We have come to the end of today's video, today's show. I appreciate all of you who joined me live today. I was planning to do about 2 hours, but I don't feel so sick. It's like my stomach, feel hurt. And also, let me try to see I can arrange my shirt. I didn't even arrange my shirt. I was just washing to come to you guys, and give you guys the best life ever, 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 ever out there. Okay, guys. Go and do what it takes to be successful in this game, and wish you all the best tomorrow same time. I'm gonna do be live same time, same hour with you guys. Have a nice day. Ciao. Bye bye.